Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can change cursor size in your Mac operating system and how you can change cursor speed in your Mac operating system. So let's do it and let's see how we can do it. So for that, first of all you have to click on this system setting. When you click on this system setting, you have to click on this accessibility option. Inside this accessibility option, here you will see multiple options, but you have to click on this display. When you click on this display, here you will see pointer size. You can adjust your pointer size according to your requirements and your use cases. Here is the maximum size that we can increase, and here is the normal or minimum size. After that, if you want to change speed of your cursor, so for that you have to click on this trackpad option. When you click on this trackpad option, here you will see tracking speed. You can change your tracking speed here. This is the maximum speed and this is the minimum speed. So thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video.